In this video, I want to talk about this Mold Armor do-it-yourself at-home mold test kit. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use it because I have a suspicious spot up here that kind of looks like mold. So I want to find out if it actually is. So I'm going to use this. So this is what comes with the kit. You have a Petri dish right here. You have some cotton swabs. You have some potato dextrose that I guess acts as an agent to incubate the mold in here to show mold growth. And then you have an envelope, which optionally you can take all this stuff, the Petri dish and the cotton swab that you used, if you use it, and ship it out. And for a fee, you can get testing done on your sample. So there's a couple of different ways you can test for mold, and all of them require this Petri dish and this right here. So what you want to do to prepare this is this lid comes off, you pour this in here, and you shake it around so it covers this all even, and you put the cap back on and leave it there for about an hour. And this stuff will start to gel up and create a semi-solid surface, and that is when you know that this is ready. So the first way that you can test is to do an air quality test. So you do that. After an hour, you can take this lid off and leave it off for an hour. After the hour is passed, put this on and then get some tape and tape this all up and let it sit for 48 hours. You take a look at it. If you don't see any mold, then you wait for 72 hours. If you still don't see mold, you wait for 96 hours. No mold will be detected if you don't see anything. Another thing you can do is, let's say you suspect you might have mold in your HVAC system. You can take this and with the lid off, tape this up to your furthest vent from your system and run the system for 10 minutes. With that air blowing on this, like this, you can then remove it from your vent, put the cap on again, and you can tape it up and do the same thing. Look for mold. The third way, which is actually the way that I did it because I can see what is potentially mold growth, I took a cotton swab provided right here and got a sample of what was on the wall, and you lightly rub it on this potato dextrose and tape it up, let it sit, and after 48 hours, I didn't see anything. But, spoiler alert, that is mold because I waited 72 hours and this is the actual test. These are the results. All this kind of green nastiness all around here. I didn't know if it was sticking here, so I did a bunch of different spots, and as you can see, it is definitely growing some mold. So now I know, unfortunately, this is confirmed to be mold. So it's bad news for me, but good news for you because you know that this is gonna work. Hope this video helps.